Hi, guys. This is Eddie. Right now, I show you your 2 kilowatt handheld lead welding machine with a separate water chiller. So it's the outside water chiller. And this is the back side of the machine. And this is the chiller connection, the tube, water tube. And here are the water inside. And this is I show you what the level of the water. This the green and the yellow colors mean the water is full or it's a normal level. But if the water just go up to the red color, it means you have to add more water inside the water tank. And here is welding head, and we can show you the 2 kilowatt the laser source with the gas. And here is a wire feeder, and this is the control system. The language we can change. It's English, and Japanese, it's Korean, it's Russian, and Spanish. I don't know what it is. So we can change English is better, I think. Okay, now I will show you your machine how to work and how to weld.